Welcome to Conscious Creativity. You are inherently designed to create reality. The question is, will it be by default or by design? Join this experiential workshop to design and live the life you love. This is the manifestation engine. Being creative means owning your life power and actively manifesting your personal reality. It begins with intention and moves through internal alignment, emotions, thoughts, and energy, to actions, resulting in an amplified reality. Conscious creativity requires mindful, aware alignment of this entire sequence. Two distinct modes of operation dictate the quality of our encounters and relationships. Unconscious creativity, which operates as a default mechanism directed by the unexamined shadow and results in what is experienced as external fate. Conscious creativity, however, operates by mindful design, driven by awareness, feeling, vision, and intent, leading to deliberately unfolded reality. What we fail to examine about ourselves continues to operate in the background. This is the shadow of conscious creativity. As Carl Jung said, until you make the unconscious conscious, it will direct your life and you will call it fate. Awareness of resistance opens the choice to pivot toward a new direction. Step 1. Clear the path by recognizing the shadow to remove constraints of the past. Step 2. Set the compass by following your highest excitement. The core insight is that you cannot sustainably follow your highest excitement if unconscious resistance is sabotaging the engine. This workshop integrates both. Deliberately unfold your reality through a 6-part integral framework. This cyclical process includes presence, qualities, vision, gifts, action, and appreciation. The inner foundation involves anchoring into essence and alignment. This includes 1. Presence, cultivating a state of heart awareness before attempting to create. And 2. Qualities, identifying the intrinsic qualities that govern your authentic self and establishing them as the baseline for creation. The blueprint focuses on defining the target and gathering resources. This involves 3. Vision, translating highest excitement into a concrete, clearly articulated direction. And 4. Gifts, taking an inventory of your unique assets to propel the vision forward, including talents, skills, resources, life experience, and potential. The manifestation involves strategic execution and conscious integration. This covers 5. Action, deploying aligned action to bridge the gap between intention and personal reality. And 6. Appreciation, integrating the outcome through reflection and recognition to build momentum for the next cycle of creation. The workshop is guided by 3 decades of personal development and facilitation experience, integrating psychological frameworks, somatic traditions, and experiential facilitation. Prepare to upgrade your view, upgrade your actions, and rediscover authentic heart presence. Mindset preparation includes meditating, being mindful, and being open to new possibilities, while letting go of what no longer serves you. Practical requirements include bringing a book to write in and an open mind and heart. Secure your space in the Conscious Creativity Workshop. The event is on Saturday, May 9th from 1500 to 1700 in Copenhagen. To join, email your name to calibriheart1@gmail.com and send payment via MobilePay to 6057 NP. The workshop is an entry point into a broader ecosystem of conscious living, including the immediate next step, the Bliss Conscious Clubbing Celebration, and the future 12-week Conscious Creativity Journey. Write to consciouslivingwithguy@gmail.com to join the waitlist.